forecast.
Well, good Wednesday evening. There is the view as seen from Carter Mountain. We're looking off to the west. You see more in the way of some blue sky, and on the far right of your camera, you still see some of those clouds from some of the aftermath from the showers and thunderstorms that have rolled through. First of all, let's talk about how hot it was earlier this afternoon before any storms impacted the region. 97 at the airport. That's day 5 of the ongoing heat wave, which will be broken thanks to these storms that are pushing through and the cold front that will come through into tomorrow. 101 today in Washington, 99 in Roanoke. Let's take a look at first alert Doppler radar. Currently, our warning is for Buckingham County, and this until 6:45. The worst of it is across central and eastern sections of Buckingham County. Tremendous amount of lightning. Again, the main concern here is damaging winds up to 60 miles an hour. This will continue on its way toward Cumberland County, but you can see the intensity of the lightning here. Some of the rainfall rates are greater than 1.5 inches per hour. So from Curdsville up toward Dillwyn and out toward Mount Rush, still some heavy rain in progress here. That is the current warning. Back behind it, we've got some clouds, some lighter rain. Now we could still see an additional shower or thunderstorm this evening, but the worst of it was this afternoon with that line that continues to race off toward Richmond and Fredericksburg. A look at some of the wind damage reports. Some of these from last night, but some of these from this afternoon. Numerous trees down and branches south of Charlottesville. Here we go a little farther west out toward Afton with trees down, and that was the same case through Augusta County as well this afternoon for some. Heaviest rain, well, again, the storms were moving pretty quickly. Some of that line was moving over 35, 40 miles an hour, but we still have that heavy rain that continues through Buckingham County. Some of the Doppler radar estimates are showing greater than 2 inches. Of course, some pockets of heavier rain, other areas not. So this is the severe thunderstorm watch that continues until 10 o'clock all the way to the coast, and the areas that haven't been overturned by these storms, that's where the severe weather is really the greatest. Back behind it, not so much, because we've had the atmosphere worked over. So the counties are being dropped from west to east, but the watch is still in play for a few more hours. Temperatures right now are in the 70s after another steamy day. It still remains quite humid. Those dew points are in the 70s. We'll get a break in the humidity as we roll into Friday. Overnight lows are in the 70s. We'll have daytime highs tomorrow in the 80s as opposed to the 90s. So the heat wave is broken. We'll still hold on to some showers and storms. I don't think the coverage will be as great as it was today. And then Friday looks largely dry. Temperatures will be in the mid-80s. A little cooler Saturday with some showers and storms returning. Essentially the same front that comes through tomorrow moves back north this weekend. But the actual front is near Pittsburgh and Columbus. It'll cross the Ohio River and head toward our region by tomorrow. So here we are in the morning. We'll start in the 70s. Some areas of fog. Could have that shower thunderstorm. I think the coverage is going to be greater off to our south and east during the day. Daytime highs will be in the 80s. And then by Friday, a little break in the humidity and temperatures back in the 80s as well. So here's our forecast for tonight. Temperatures again in the 70s. We'll see the showers and storms end early. As we take a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, we break this heat wave with temperatures in the 80s over the next several days. Friday looks largely dry. Some showers and storms this weekend. But right now, we don't see another heat wave in the making taking us into next week.
All right, that is some good relief and good news. Thanks.